There are moments when you look around and feel like everyone else is ahead of you. Their careers seem stable. Their relationships seem secure. Their lives look aligned. And you quietly wonder why yours feels delayed. Comparison can feel relentless. You measure your progress against timelines that were never truly yours. You question whether you wasted time. And you carry the silent fear that you are falling behind. But what if the delay you feel is not failure? What if it is recovery? What if what looks like stagnation from the outside is actually healing from the inside? Healing is rarely visible. It does not come with applause or milestones. It does not move in straight lines or impressive announcements. And it often looks like stillness when it is actually repair. There is work happening beneath the surface that no one sees. You are unlearning patterns that once kept you small. You are rebuilding boundaries that were once ignored. And you are restoring parts of yourself that were quietly depleted. That process takes time. It requires reflection. It demands emotional honesty. And it does not move at the pace of social comparison. You may feel behind because you stepped away from something that was not healthy. You may feel delayed because you chose growth over speed. You may feel slower because you stopped running toward things that were misaligned. From the outside, that can look like regression. From the inside, it is recalibration. You are not losing ground. You are rebuilding foundation. Foundation work is not glamorous. It is patient. It is repetitive. It is quiet. And it strengthens everything that comes next. There is courage in pausing. There is strength in choosing healing over performance. And there is wisdom in refusing to build your future on unresolved pain. Many people move quickly because they are avoiding something. They chase milestones to outrun discomfort. They fill silence with noise. And they call distraction progress. But you chose something different. You chose to sit with discomfort long enough to understand it. You chose to feel what others suppress. And you chose repair over acceleration. That choice may not look impressive on paper. It may not impress people who value speed over stability. But it will matter in ways that are not immediately visible. When you heal, your decisions change. Your standards rise quietly. Your boundaries strengthen naturally. And your relationships become more intentional. You are not behind. You are becoming more aligned. You are becoming more aware. And awareness slows you down before it speeds you up. There is a season for rebuilding. There is a season for rediscovering. And there is a season for simply regaining your strength. If you are in that season now, it does not mean you failed. It means you are preparing. It means you are stabilizing. It means you are choosing depth over display. The world often celebrates visible progress. Promotions, engagements, moves, announcements. But it rarely celebrates emotional repair. Yet emotional repair changes everything. It changes the quality of your future relationships. It changes the clarity of your decisions. And it changes how steady you feel when pressure arrives. You are not behind in life. You are healing from what would have held you back. You are learning lessons that will prevent repetition. And you are building strength that does not rely on illusion. Hope grows in this understanding. It grows when you stop measuring yourself by someone else's timeline. It grows when you see healing as progress. And it stabilizes when you trust that your pace is purposeful. Your life is not late. It is unfolding. It is adjusting. It is aligning. And when healing completes its quiet work, you will move forward differently. Not rushed. Not reactive. Not desperate. But grounded. Clear. Ready. There is a particular loneliness in feeling like you are behind. It often shows up during quiet evenings when comparison feels louder. You scroll through updates that highlight achievement. And you wonder why your own life feels paused. But what you rarely see are the private struggles behind those updates. You do not see the compromises made for speed. You do not see the unresolved pain carried forward. And you do not see the emotional debt that accumulates when healing is skipped. You chose not to carry that debt. You chose to slow down long enough to understand your patterns. You chose to examine the beliefs that shaped your past decisions. And that self-examination is not delay, it is wisdom. Healing often requires you to sit still while others sprint. It requires you to step back while others push forward. And it requires you to accept temporary uncertainty for long-term stability. That can feel uncomfortable. You may question your pace. You may doubt your direction. You may fear that opportunities are passing you by. But opportunities built on instability rarely sustain. Achievements reached while ignoring emotional fractures often collapse under pressure. And relationships formed without clarity often repeat old cycles. You are interrupting cycles. You are breaking patterns. You are refusing to rush into what once harmed you. That interruption creates space. Space to understand yourself. Space to redefine what success actually means. And space to build a future that fits who you are becoming. You are not behind because you needed time. You are not behind because you prioritized mental clarity. You are not behind because you refused to pretend you were fine. In fact, you are ahead in ways that cannot be measured quickly. You are ahead in self-awareness. You are ahead in emotional resilience. And you are ahead in intentionally. In your season shifts, you will move with steadiness instead of urgency. You will choose from confidence rather than fear. And you will build from alignment instead of comparison. Hope lives here. It lives in trusting your own timeline. It lives in respecting your healing process. And it lives in understanding that progress is not always visible, but it is always happening. You are not behind in life. You are healing in preparation for something healthier. You are stabilizing before you expand. And you are becoming someone who will not need to rebuild from the same place again. That is not delay. That is growth.